Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device, free space, a stable Wi-Fi download, and permissions so the app can cache data. Once you have storage and the package, install and open the app. Follow the initial prompts to enable offline mode. Make sure to allow storage and any required location permissions. This lets the app save files locally. You do this now to avoid interruptions later. When installation finishes, proceed to synchronize the first dataset so content is available without a network. You now focus on the core sync. Pick the exact content you need and start synchronization. Once done, configure sync behavior, manual for tight control, scheduled for regular updates, or restrict cellular use to save data. Make sure to prioritize essential modules so the app caches the smallest useful dataset first. After syncing, perform a quick spot check of 2 or 3 items to confirm files open correctly. This ensures the offline dataset is usable and avoids surprises when you lose connectivity. Finish by validating the offline experience. Open main features and simulate a network loss to confirm functionality. Once validated, enable incremental updates so the app downloads small changes instead of full resyncs. This saves time and bandwidth. If something fails, clear the app cache for the affected module, then resync only that module. This fixes most corruption issues. If resync still fails, reboot the device and retry. Contact support only after these steps to provide precise error details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.